everyone, I'm Gail and I want to welcome you to Green Home, brought to you by STIHL. This season, I'll show you my tips to prepare and maintain a beautiful lush green lawn all summer long. After a long winter, you might be itching to get your tools out of the shed and getting them to work. It doesn't matter how long your tools have been sitting in storage, because I'm going to show you a few simple steps to get your tools ready to get the job done. Taking a few extra minutes to check your tool over will save you on headaches later. Visually inspect the unit, look for any cracks in the housing, deflectors or cutter plate guards, and retighten all accessible screws and nuts. Check and change the oil and air filter if required. This is a great time to replace the trimmer line, inspect and sharpen any blades on any cutting tools or attachments, and to change or sharpen your saw chain. For gas-powered units, start with fresh fuel and check your spark plugs. Remember that if you used Motomix pre-mixed fuel and left it in the tank over the winter, it's okay. Motomix can be left in the tank for up to 2 years without potentially hurting your machine. For corded equipment, inspect all the power cords. And for your battery equipment, make sure your batteries are charged to 100% so they're ready to go. Don't forget about your personal protective equipment as well. A cut on your chaps or a crack on your helmet means it's time for new gear. If after completing these steps, you still feel you need help getting started, there's nothing to worry about. Your local STIHL dealer is always nearby with all the accessories and expert technicians to help you get the job done. Just visit stihldealers.ca for the closest dealer near you. Now that your tools are ready, let me show you how to prepare your lawn for beautiful green grass all summer long. In the next video, I'll show you how to clean your lawn from winter debris in no time. I'll see you there.